I'll say, I mean, I'm a big believer in active procrastination. Just stop stressing about it, put it out of your mind, go do something else, and let your brain work the problem in the background, because it does. And those ideas, they come to you, and they never come to you in the moments when you're really trying to find them. They come to you when you're driving your car, or when you're grabbing the mail or something random like that. So I guess, my advice would be to try not to stress, step away from the problem, and do something else.
Yeah. I was gonna say, I mean, sometimes it's nice to step away, but if you can't, then I like to find really weird ways to get inspiration from people watching. So looking at what people are wearing, what people are doing. You can take free online courses, which is really nice sometimes to look at a different way of thinking. I even just heard a friend recently say that they go to a bookstore and just pick up a book every week, or even the library. It could be about anything, and that's where they get their inspiration from. So they take that as a little boost every week, whatever the book is about. So I think there's a lot of really out of the box ways that you can kind of kickstart it again.